What's up, guys? How you doing? It's Suit Tech here. It's 8:48 a.m. on Tuesday, 27th of November. And we have a super red market. And we'll get into that in a minute. There's a bunch of news I wanted to get into as well. So let's start off with the news. There's a couple things I noticed. Some today, a few things yesterday, but I wasn't able to get to. But this is a big one. Nasdaq's Bitcoin futures could launch in Q1 2019, says Bloomberg. Major U.S. stock exchange Nasdaq still intends to launch Bitcoin futures and could do so as soon as Q1 2019. Quoting two people familiar with the matter, the publication said momentum was building towards a potential launch early next year. The move comes despite downturn in Bitcoin prices to 13-month lows, marking the tail end of a testing year for existing Bitcoin futures projects. Alright, so enthusiasm from Nasdaq suggests the recent volatility in Bitcoin prices does not concern Wall Street. CME in October, likewise reporting interest in them, had markedly increased quarter on quarter this year. No comments. So, despite everything that's going on right now, Wall Street is still on board with Bitcoin. Alright, so Bitcoin is the tide that rises all boats. Whenever Bitcoin goes all up, the entire market goes up. Now, something interesting that I read yesterday was that they said hundreds of thousands of ETH from ICOs has been sold just in the last week. So ICOs, especially the Ethereum-based ones, have been cashing out crazy because they're desperate. They're not trying to lose all of their money. So thousands and thousands of ICOs have cashed out just this past week. And what that means is a lot of coins are on their last legs. They're on their last legs. And what I've been preaching kind of over the past couple of months is that the market is consolidating big time. The entire market is shrinking. Obviously, the total cap is shrinking, but in terms of the total amount of coins, that is also shrinking because most of these will disappear. The developers are going to run with the money and you'll never hear about the coins again. So the ones that are in the top 100 or 200, maybe 500, like I've been saying for a while, those will be the only ones that are left. So that is U.S. SEC chair reiterates strict stance on ICOs, keep shut on ETF regulations. So we see more and more institutions getting friendly with crypto as the prices keep plummeting, right? And AMD and NVIDIA crypto problems will last longer than expected. Interesting. I wonder how many video cards are available for cheap now. Norway removes electricity tax subsidy for crypto miners. That lasted quick. That was a short tax break. Binance moves away from Tether. Detail. What does that mean? Interesting. Interesting. So, I mean, that kind of sucks for trading. If you have a bot, that sucks. But as long as there's another stable coin that resembles Tether on Binance, it's fine. I mean, that's all good. You see, XRP is number 2 now, which is pretty whack, because XRP is just a centralized blockchain from the big banks, from the central banks. So it's kind of whack. I mean, this has no business being called a crypto. It's not. And one last thing I want to get into, guys, was StakeCube. Sorry to say, but if anyone has any, I'm gonna start taking down the old videos for StakeCube, and also if anyone has any plans on joining StakeCube, don't do it. Stay away. I regret that this whole thing has come crashing down horribly. I don't know what's going on with the team. I don't even know if they ran with the money. I don't know what's going on. But just stay away. Stay away from StakeCube coin, and stay away from LGS. Stay away from LightPay coin. And then the team that developed LGS has another coin called Liquid Regenerative Medicine, LRM. Stay away from that coin too. Just stay away from it. Don't even, you know what I mean? Don't even bother. Because they're raising capital with Liquid Regenerative Medicine to allegedly fix LGS and other development things. So it's fundamentally just a cash grab so they can have some more money to develop. Allegedly, you know what I mean? Allegedly. I don't even know. It might not. But just stay away, man. Because they're not fixing this. The site's not being remedied. I said, I heard the guy was sick or something, the main guy. But I don't think he might not even exist. I don't know. So that's my fair warning. And I apologize to people out there who have joined. Now, thankfully, I don't think a lot of people put a lot into it. They're kind of just testing it. So the losses are probably kept to a minimal. But just stay away, man. Just do not touch StakeCube. Even the other ones. I mean, I don't think Snowed is doing that well. Like, I don't know. I don't trust any of these anymore. I already didn't trust them, but I was willing to give them a chance. But they burned that bridge. So anyway, guys, good luck, and I will see you next time. Peace.